Good evening, students. I am teaching 10th class CBSE syllabus NCERT grade 10 chapter 1 real numbers. In previous videos I am explaining the example 10. Okay, example 11 show that one and only one out of n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. Here they given the divisor. How much they given the divisor? 3. Okay, what asking that the integers, the numbers is divisible by any one is divisible by 3. Okay, that means the divisor is how much here? 3. Okay, so how we can prove? By using Euclid division lemma. Okay, so let us take n is any positive integer. So here, what is the Euclid division lemma? Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here A is equal by using Euclid division lemma. A is equal B into Q plus R. Okay, here we take that A is dividend. So here what we take here? N. So N is equal, here divisor is how much? 3, which is divisible by 3. The divisor is how much more? 3. So that is 3 into Q plus R. So what is the condition of remainder? The remainder is greater than or equal to 0 and less than the divisor. So that is here 0 less than or equal, remainder less than or equal, less than divisor. So that is here 0 less than or equal, remainder less than 3. So therefore the conditions of remainders, the values of remainders are 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So here, for suppose remainder is equal to 0, then n is equal to 3q plus 0. Remainder is equal to 1, then n is equal to 3q plus 1. Okay, if remainder is equal to 2, then n is equal to 3q plus 2. What the question? Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. Okay, so here case 1 when n is equal 3q plus 0, so nothing but 3q. So here n is equal to 3q, that means n is multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is nothing but divisible by 3. So next n plus 2, that is equal to 3q plus 2. That means the number which is divided by 3, the remainder is how much? 2. That means this number is not divisible by 3. Next n plus 4, so that is here 3q plus 4. 3q plus 4. Here also same, the number which is divided by 3, the remainder is how much? 4. So which is divisible? N is equal to 3q is divisible by 3. Next, case 2. When n is equal to 3q plus 1. Okay, here when n is equal to 3q plus 1 means the n is divided by 3, the remainder is 1. So it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Next n plus 2, so that is a 3q plus 1 plus 2. n is how much? 3q plus 1. Here how many n are there here? 3. What are there? If remainder r is equal to 0, the n is 3q. Remainder r is equal to 1, the n is 3q plus 1. Remainder r is equal to, the n value is 3q plus 2. So here n value is how much? 3q plus 1. So this number is not divisible by 3. Is not divisible by 3. Next n plus 2, so that is 3q plus 1 plus 2, that is how much? 3q plus 1 plus 2, how much? 3. So 3, how you can write? 3 into 1, so that is a 3 into q plus 3 into 1. So in these two, what are the common? 3 of q plus 1. So n plus 2 is multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 is nothing but divisible by 3. So therefore the n plus 2 is divisible by 2. When n is equal to 3q plus 1, then n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Next n plus 4, that is 3q plus 1 plus 4. So 3q plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. So the number which is divided by 3, the remainder is how much? 4. That means n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Case 3. When n is equal 3q plus 2. So when n is equal 3q plus 2 means the n is divided by 3, the remainder is 2. So therefore n is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Next, n plus 2. N plus 2, that is 3q plus 2 plus 2. So that is equal 3q plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is how much? Plus 4. So n plus 2 is equal to how much? 3q plus 4. That means the number which is divided by the remainder is how much? 4. So therefore n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Next, n plus 4, that is equal 3q plus 2 plus 4. So 3q plus 2 plus 4, how much? Plus 6. That is 3q plus 6. 6 how you can write? 3 2 ja. So that is your 3q plus 3 2. So in this 2 what are the common? 3q, 3 into q, that is 3 of q plus 2. So n plus 4 is multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 is nothing but divisible by 3. So therefore n plus 4 is divisible by 3. In case 1, n is equal to 3q is divisible by 3. In case 2, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. In case 3, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. When n is equal to 3q, n is equal to 3q plus 1, n is equal to 3q plus 2. Exercise 1. Yeah. What do you mean by Euclid division lemma? Euclid division lemma is nothing but division rule. So dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let us take a is a one integer, b is a one integer, q is a one integer, r is a one integer. So here a is equal b into q plus r. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the remainder values is what? It is greater than or equal to 0 and less than the divisor. So that is a 0 less than or equal or remainder less than b. Okay. So the values of remainder is always less than the divisor and greater than 0 and equal 0. Okay. This is the Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. A number when divided by 61 gives 27 as quotient, 32 as remainder. Find the number. So how you can find? By using Euclid division lemma. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. By using Euclid division lemma or algorithm. So a is equal b into q plus r. So here a number when divided by 61. So the number a is divided by 61 gives 27 as a quotient. Remainder is 32. So what is the number? So here how you can find b into q plus r. 61 into 27. 61 into 27. 7 ja, 7 6 ja, 42. 2 1 ja, 2. 2 6 ja, 12. So that is 7 4 6 1. Okay, 1647 plus how much remainder? 32. We can adding the 32. So that is 9761. So 1679. So the number 1679 is divided by 61. Quotient is 27. Remainder is 32. Here. Now what is the question? By what number should 1365 be divided to get 31 as a quotient and 32 as remainder? Here in this question what they are asking? That divisor. They are asking the divisor. How you can find the divisor? By using Euclid division lemma. So here by using Euclid division lemma. So dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. In the last problem they asking that dividend, but in this problem they asking that divisor. Okay, which number divide? Okay, so here what is the dividend? 1365. Divisor, the quotient how much? 31. Remainder is 32. Okay, plus 32 comes this side upon minus 1365 minus 32 is equal b into 31. So 1365 minus 32, how much? 1333. Okay, b into 31. 31 here multiple, come this side upon divide. So b divisor b is equal 1333 by 31. So here we can divide by 31. 31 4 ja 124, here 3. So from 3 we can subtract 4, take the borrow, that is 13 9. So 31 3 ja 93, the remainder is 0. So 31 divides 1333, the quotient how much? 43. So the divisor is how much, ma'am? 43. So which number divide 1365? 43. So when 1365 is divided by 43, we can get the quotient is 31, remainder is 32. Use Euclid division algorithm to find the H.c.f of 135 and 225. So how we can do this? By using division method. Okay, first we can find the H.c.f division method, then we can write Euclid division algorithm. So here the biggest number is 225, smallest number is 135. So 135 1 ja 135, so 0. So from 2 we cannot subtract 3, take the borrow, that is 12. From 12 3 you can subtract how much? 9. So this remainder is become quotient. Okay, the quotient is become dividend. Okay, until the remainder, this process is going on until the remainder is 0. So here 90 divides 135. So 91 ja 95. From 13 we can subtract 9, we can get as 45. 45 divides again 90. How many times? 2 times. The remainder is how much? 0. Where you can get the remainder 0? At the divisor 45. So the divisor 45 is called H.c.f or GCD. GCD means what? Greatest common divisor. So here by using Euclid division algorithm, so A is equal B into Q plus R. How many times we can use the division algorithm? 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so here 225 is equal, dividend is equal, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Next, dividend 135 is equal, divisor 90 into quotient 1, remainder is 45. Next, dividend is 90, divisor is 45, quotient is 1, remainder is 0. So where you get the remainder 0? At the divisor 45. So this 45 is called H.c.f. So H.c.f of 135 and 225 is 45. 45 2 ja 90. Same. 38220 is divided by 196. Here 3 digits, here also you can take the 3 digits. So 196 1 ja 196. Here from 2 you cannot subtract 6, take the borrow. Here 12, here 18, here 2. Okay, that is 6 9 1 2. Okay, 196 9 ja 196 9 ja 54, 86, here 17. So 1764. So that is take borrow. Here 8 15 6 9, 8 minus 7 1 0. 196 5 ja 1980. So the remainder is 0. Okay, here by using Euclid division lemma, by using Euclid division lemma, A is equal B into Q plus R. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that is here 38220. The divisor is how much? 196. Quotient is 195. The remainder is 0. Where you get the remainder 0? At the divisor 196. So HCF of 38220 on 196 is 196. Next, 867 is divided by 255. So 3 jar 15. 15 plus 1 6 7. So 20102 divided by 255. So 2 jar 204. So 1 5. That is 51. Again divide 102. 2 jar 102. The remainder is 0. Where you get the remainder 0? The divisor 51. The 51 is called H.c.f. So by using Euclid division lemma, A is equal B into Q plus R. So that is here 867 is equal to 255 into 3. The remainder is 102. Next 255 is a dividend. Then 102 is a divisor. Quotient is 2. Remainder is 51. Next 102 is a dividend. Quotient is 51. Divisor is 2. Remainder is 0. Where you get the remainder 0? At the 51. You can get the remainder is 0. So therefore HCF of 255 and 867 is 51. If you have any doubts, you can message on comments. If you like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel.